My boobs itchy.
Hi beautiful angels, my name is Nita and this is my happy place. Here we talk about spirituality, mental health, psychic abilities and so much more. I welcome you here. If you are new, feel free to join the angel community. It would mean the world to me. And also feel free to make this your happy place too. If you feel like planting a good karma seed today, please like this video and share it with your friends. That way I can reach as many angels that need guidance as possible. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to talk about how to cleanse your space. Okay, let's start from scratch. What does cleansing your space even mean? Okay, so if you think about it, we take care of our bodies through exercise, good diets, and we do our skincare. We take showers and all that kind of good stuff. So if we're taking care of our physical body, why wouldn't we also take care of our energetic bodies? This is where spiritual hygiene comes in. I'm planning on doing a whole nother video on all the aspects of spiritual hygiene, so stay tuned for that. But today we're going to talk about one aspect, and that is clearing your space. So if you work in a job where you are dealing with multiple people with different personalities, especially if you're like me and you deal with emotions all day, you are going to want to know about cleansing your space. Cleansing your energy field is super important to prevent energy drainage and to keep your energetic body in balance. So to cleanse your energy space, you're going to need a smudge stick. I get mine from Luna Related. They also stock crystals and essential oils. They is actually my boyfriend and I. We started this business back in February of this year and I'm super proud of it and all the things that we do and how far we have grown. So if you're interested in hitting us up and having a look at some crystals, sage or essential oils, you can find us right here. I'll put the Instagram right here and also at lunarelated.com.au. I will have all the details including my discount code Empress10 down in the description box below. Okay, so sage is one of the most purest and oldest methods of clearing a person, a group of people, or a space. Not only does it purify the air that we breathe, but it also removes unwanted energies from your energy field. This practice dates back to prehistoric times and has been documented in every corner of the world from our ancestors.
Oh, hell no!
Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little science lesson. Sage clears bacteria in the air. Sage smoke offers rapid delivery to the brain and efficient absorption through the body. Scientists have observed that sage can clear up to 94% of the air. When sage is burned, it releases negative ions, which is linked to putting people into a positive mood. The Latin word salvia comes from the word heal. Other qualities believed associated with sage are giving wisdom, clarity, and increasing spiritual awareness. Now, when is it important to cleanse your space? After any intense meeting or an argument that you may have in your house, I definitely recommend you pull out that smudge stick and you sage the crap out of it, sis. Or even if you just feel like you've been feeling really low, lethargic, tired, and drained, pull out that sage. Now, whenever you move into a new home, sage that place because you have no idea who or what has been living around there before you came there. I also feel like saging places that you spend your most time at is very important too. So your boyfriend's house, your best friend's house, your place of work, anywhere that you're always around, I highly suggest you get out that sage and you cleanse that space. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the steps of how to cleanse your space. Number 1, open all windows and doors. Before you light up, make sure all of your windows and doors are open. This gives your unwanted energy a way to get out. Why? Let's take it back to science. Where's my glasses? Well, if you were to put a bunch of chemicals in a jar and seal the lid, shake up that jar, you have now created a chemical reaction. Now, a few things could happen in this jar. You could either crack the jar, explode the chemicals inside of it, or nothing could happen at all due to the lack of oxygen that is in there. So if you are trying to remove toxic energy from a space, make sure that there is fluent oxygen happening in that room. You've got the windows open, you've got all the doors open. That way the energy has a place to run away to and dispel into the air. Get out, we don't want you. Okay, step 2. I'm just gonna keep my glasses on for now. Step 2, prep for the burning. Traditionally, people use an abalone shell to hold the sage in and use a feather to spread the smoke around. If you don't have an abalone shell, you can simply use a heat-resistant plate or bowl to keep your sage in. Personally, I just like to hold the sage with my hand. Our sages from Lunar Related are extra large. So as you can see, I've used this quite a few times, and there's your burn bit there, and it's still massive. So I don't really need to hold it in a bowl or a plate. I can just hold it through right at the very end, and I can use it this way. Okay, step 3, light that bitch up. You're going to hold the sage as far away from the end you are burning as possible. Hold it at a 45-degree angle and light it up for about 20 seconds, and then gently blow the flame so you can see the little orange particles at the end. You can then begin the process of cleansing your space. Okay, so next, you are ready to cleanse your space. As you can see, I am moving from every corner of the room, allowing the smoke to hit every crevice. Don't forget to do it to yourself too. I then repeat this mantra throughout the whole process. Cleanse this space of negative energy, thoughts, and intention. If there are energies here not of the light, you are not welcome. Be gone and do not return. Surround this space and everyone in it with positive energy and white light. Once you are done cleansing your space, it's time to extinguish your sage. To do this, you can gently press it against an abalone shell or a heat-resistant bowl or dish, or you can just simply allow it to burn on its own, which is what I usually do. Okay, my angels, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I really enjoyed making it. It was super fun. Don't forget to hit up Lunar Related for some beautiful crystals and beautiful sage and essential oils. You can use my code Empress10 to get 10% off. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so we can reach as many angels that need guidance as possible. Okay, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.